Imagine stepping back into the year 1883. If you wanted to light a room with electricity, you had to live within a strict 1 mile radius of a generating station. Back then, Thomas Edison's direct current system ruled the day. But DC had a fatal flaw: it couldn't travel. Power dropped off so fast that sending electricity across a city was physically impossible. Generating plants were tiny, localized, and driven by massive clanking steam pistons that shook the ground with every stroke. Electricity was a localized luxury. But over the next 42 years, the world witnessed an industrial transformation unlike anything before or since. The spark that changed everything came in the late 1880s, when George Westinghouse and Nikola Tesla championed alternating current, or AC. The physics were revolutionary. By using transformers, AC could step voltage up to staggering highs, shoot it across hundreds of miles with almost no energy loss, and step it safely back down for the consumer. The climax of this war of the currents came in 1895 at Niagara Falls. When the switches flipped on Tesla's massive AC generators, they successfully sent power 22 miles away to Buffalo, New York. For the first time, humanity decoupled power generation from the immediate vicinity of its users. But as the electrical systems grew, the old mechanical engines began to literally split at the seams. Those giant reciprocating steam pistons had a strict speed limit. If you ran them too fast, the vibrations would tear the machine apart. Enter Charles Parsons. In 1884, he invented the multi-stage axial steam turbine. Instead of pushing a piston back and forth, high-pressure steam blew directly through rows of curved blades, spinning a central shaft continuously. It was smooth, it was incredibly fast, and it changed the economics of power forever. A turbine took up less than a quarter of the space of a piston engine, yet by 1925, a single turbo generator could pump out over 100 megawatts of power, enough to light entire cities. To feed these monsters, fuel usage had to evolve too. In the 1880s, teams of workers manually shoveled lump coal into low-pressure boilers, wasting over 95% of the fuel's potential energy. By the 1920s, automation took over. Power plants began crushing coal into a fine microscopic powder, blowing it into furnaces where it combusted instantly in midair. Along with the discovery of massive oil reserves, these advancements pushed thermal efficiency from a miserable 3% up toward 20%. By 1925, the isolated dynamos of the past were gone, replaced by interconnected high-voltage grids operating at up to 220,000 volts. In just 42 years, the vision of Tesla, Westinghouse, and Parsons had scaled up to become the literal lifeblood of modern civilization. For more information, visit globalpowernews.com or my YouTube channel, Nawaz Power Pro. Don't forget to like and share.